fog lights. There it is, guys. Alright guys, I went ahead and did one side to figure it out for you guys. Now I'm gonna explain it to you step by step to let you know if it's working or not. Here it goes. Sick. Alright, let's get on with the video. First things first, we need to get this and this pop clips out. Okay, once you get those two pop clips out, and you have to stick your hand and look for a pop clip right at the lower portion of the vent here, and pop this out. So you see it's gonna be on this side. So you have to stick your hand in there and pop it out. And then that's the only thing you have to detach. Yep. So go ahead and stick your hand in there with a tool and pry it out. Right there. Grab a tool and pry that out. And once you guys take this out, you just pull straight out that way. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3. Ah. 1, 2. There you go. Alright, next step is to locate the brown plug. You can see it right there. Unplug that brown plug right there. Just like that. Next step is we're going to use this connector. We're going to run it up through this hole and connect the brown connector that we just took out into this. And then we're going to use this brown connector to plug into the spot we took the plug out of. All right? Let's go ahead and do that. So I ran this harness that it was included through and out. So we're going to use this plug and connect it to this plug on the harness. So let's do this now. Alright, I fished up the plugs out of the freaking void right there. And now we're just gonna take the OEM plug that's in there. We're gonna take that OEM plug that's in there and plug it into this black plug right here. Now we're gonna put this brown plug back where the OEM plug used to be. Right, let's see if it works. Sweet. Good job. Alright, the last thing to do is hook up the electrical wire into the fuse box there. This wire in your fuse box. And that would turn on your daytime running lights, I believe. So, I think we'll figure out what fuse to pick right now. Let's go. Okay, we got the cover off, and we will be tapping into I don't know if you can see it here, the wiper fuse right there with the number 30A. All right, it's right there, the green one, 30. I've never seen this before. It's kind of cool. They provide you with like a fuse tweezer. I'm just gonna put it on like that, and bam. Hell yeah, guys, it works, man. I'm just gonna go tidy everything up and do a cinematic.
If you want it, you can get it. If you want it, 네 목소리를 널 들려줘.